अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, JN न्यूज़ HD के साथ मैं हूं नाइला भट्टी। नजर डालते हैं आज की अहम खबरों पर।
टेनिस स्टार अनस जमील फलस्तीनी बच्चों को याद करके रोने लगी। जीत से ज़्यादा खुश नहीं। हर रोज़ फलस्तीनी बच्चों को मरते देखना बहुत मुश्किल है। ये दिल दहला देने वाला वाक़या है। इनामी रकम का एक हिस्सा फ़लस्तीन को अतिया कर रही हूँ। ये कोई सियासी पैगाम नहीं, इंसानियत है। अनस जमील की WTA फाइनल जीतने के बाद गुफ्तगू।
The situation in the world doesn't make me happy, so I feel like I'm sorry.
It's okay. These are the moments. These are the moments, Ons, that can take us away from the world for a few minutes, where we can focus on sports, we can focus on the people we love, and it can take us away from the problems for a few minutes. So you're able to let all of us do that as your fans, and we appreciate everything you do out on this tennis court very much.
I mean, I wish just, it's very tough seeing children, babies dying every day, and it's heartbreaking. So I have decided to donate part of my prize money to help, the Palestinians, and I cannot be happy with just this win, just what's happening. I'm sorry, guys. It's supposed to be about tennis, but it's very frustrating looking at the videos every day. So I'm sorry. It's not political message. It's just a humanity. That's it. I want peace in this world, and that's it.